Good morning, everyone. How are you today? This is my cat, Kiki. Kiki is a very quiet cat. Do you remember what sound does a cat make? Do cats make the sound? No, they don't. You're right. That's a dog. Go away, dog. Is this a cat? No, that's a chicken. Go away, chicken. Do cats sound like this? No, they don't. Do you know what animal makes this sound? Yes, a lion. Go away, lion. How about this sound? Is this a cat? No, I think it's a snake. Ooh, that's scary. Go away, snake. Go away, please. Oh, I know. Is this a cat? No. Oh yes, it's a monkey. Go away, monkey. Bye-bye. Nope. Ah, now I remember. I hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, bye bye.